Here we got a BMW S1000R, and I promised you in my walk around video, look it up, it's in my playlist, to tell you more about this exhaust. It's a nice one, carbon look, Akrapovic, HP, one I designed for HP. I have no idea what that means, but okay. My son bought this exhaust because he wanted a more louder sound of that 4-cylinder, and this one really howls, screams, perhaps that's the better word, I don't know. We're gonna, first I'm gonna zoom in, show you the exhaust, and then I'm gonna tell you a secret, so don't go away, watch until I have told you about the secret about this Akrapovic. First zoom in, come on, let's have a look. So this is the special Akrapovic. This is how it looks from this side. It has a dB killer, which already is out, of course. I think it looks really great on this bike. Absolute. Let's start the engine and listen how this exhaust sounds, and then I'm going to reveal to you the secret about it. Sorry for the background noise. It's my the vents and in here to get the fumes out. Did you like the sound of this exhaust? Now it's time to reveal the secret of that one. This is not an original Akrapovic. It's an Alibaba exhaust. Really? And it looks really good. And it sounds good. It fitted. Well, I had to file one hole to get it. It was not exactly spot on, but doable. Even for you, I'm sure. If you have a file, then you can mount it too. Guess what it cost? Watch. See? Hey, that's a revelation, huh? for such a good looking exhaust with a nice sound. At least that's my opinion. And I'm sure that all of you guys have something to say about that, and I hope, I really hope, put it in the comments. Do you like the sound? Or do you don't like the sound? That's also good. But please put it in the comments. I like to read it. So I hope you liked this video too. And I really would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Please do. Please share my YouTube channel with all your Facebook friends. I was already proud that I had 50, and now it's on 408. Hey, 408 people like my talks and the way I review and maintain motorcycles. It's a hobby, it's my passion. And I like to share my skills with you. So please subscribe and give me thumbs up. That's what all the YouTubers say. Hey, thumbs up. So thumbs up. And for now, Old Mechanic out.